Welcome home. Corner lot with spacious yard, recently painted and newer roof. Single car garage and plenty of space for an RV or boat. Fully fenced backyard, perfect for your pets to roam or listening to the laughter of children. Spacious backyard, fully fenced. Cozy living room, with plenty of natural light and luxurious wood floors. Appliances included in this functional kitchen. Kitchen combines both practicality and elegance. Primary bedroom is on the main floor, warm and inviting. Another warm and inviting bedroom on the main floor. Clean bathroom, conveniently located in the center of the floor plan. Space for washer and dryer. The utility room features a convenient utility sink. Let your imagination be your guide in this upstairs bonus room, bedroom, office, man cave you choose. Another space upstairs for office, den, library.